fashion conscious. But at this stage of life, most of us normally have a budget constraint, or young professional in tier 3 cities do not have that access to luxury brands. So Zudio provides them with all at one store.
As nowadays fashion is more important for everyone, boys, girls and all. And nowadays children's are also having a good fashion clothes of age 15 and 12 years students, and Zudio is targeting small children to provide best products and at reasonable rates.
And Zudio not only provides clothing, it provides cosmetics, footwear, everything so that they can buy under one roof.
And they're having a good quality products as well. So further flow, we will be telling you deep information about the Zudio. Strength by Kavisha.
A very good morning to all. I, Anshika Jaiswal, here to present the strength of Zudio, ideal prices. Zudio has maintained the ideal prices. As you have seen, they have everything under 999. I would like to suggest an example. Like if you buy a t-shirt from Zudio, you will get that of 299. But when you go to west side, that same t-shirt, same quality, you will get of 899, and on Max, you will get on 599. The West Side, which is a sister company of Zudio, charges 3 times more than Zudio, and Zudio has set a more advantage in the company.
Their maximum target of pricing is 1599, because they are targeting the middle class pupils to provide best pricing, and they are having affordable prices to them as well.
Private label. Zudio does not manufacture. They give their manufacturing in bulk to other companies which make products for them, and they only label the products. That will reduce their cost. Focus on tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Most of the companies focuses on tier 1 urban peoples, but Zudio focuses on tier 2 and tier 3 cities, which offers 77% more profit than urban companies, urban tier 1 customers. Keeping up with trends. As you all know, Zudio always keep up with trends. If you now visited Zudio, in every 2 months, you will practically see different store sizes, different products over there. It means in every 2 months, Zudio changed their store customer retention. Zudio has made a lot of impact on the minds of the customer, set a goal in the minds of customer, set a trust and loyalty in the minds of the customer. That's why the customer retention rate of Zudio is high. And the last one is optimize store layout. They does not build a store, they offer franchisees. If I want to take a franchisee, I will spend on the store. This will reduce their cost. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, my name is Kushi Mishra. Now we are talking about the weaknesses, quality compromises. Some product does not have the quality as compared to the other brands like H&M and Max, Reliance.
Cultural norms, they teaches us cultural values that you should never leave your roots. And at last, I would like to say, Zudio ने इंडिया से एक एक बूंदी को उठाया है, पिरोया है, एक गार्लैंड बनाई है और हमारे गले में पहनाई है, जिससे कि हम शान से जी सकते हैं. Thank you so much.
Very good pitch, guys. We have few questions for all of you.
So thank you very much. It was very interesting. Little bit of repetition, but I'm sure that being that this is your first attempt, you guys will do much better next time. So I have a question for you. You kept focusing on the price market. My question is price the only reason that people go to Zudio?
And the quality is also the reason, because everyone want the good
But
quality.
you mentioned the quality is not the best.
No, quality is not the best, but at that price it is the best, and for everyday change it's the best brand.
Correct.
As compared to their competitors, just Reliance and Pantaloon, they are having a good quality product but having a high price. But it is not affordable by middle class people. who are not affordable. So that's why we are losing. So now why they are growing? Because they're focusing on what customers want and what customers and preferences are right now. And as we know that because they're having a very high pricing in market.
So that they are the part of the latest trends in fashion.
Now it's an introduction by Kavisha.
So the overview of Zudio is that it is a very innovative brand. Though it provides cost-effective products, but every trendy product is available there. Our mission of Zudio is to provide dedication to
They are also providing SMS through discounts. Whatever the discounts are coming in the online platform, so that customers can get aware and buy their products on offline way and by coming their stores. They are having a 133 stores, and 2023 and 22 they are having a 113 stores.
Competitive prices, which is the main reason of their customer retention. Operational efficiency. Have you ever seen a advertisement of Zudio in any?
Two simple questions.
As a brand, Zudio is all about